talking to people, networking, getting to the point where you're narrowing it down. Hiring is where you actually go through the process of highlighting their priorities, seeing if there's a good match. It's more of a matchmaking process. And I think too, hiring starts before they ever hit the front door. They've already applied, you've had an initial conversation, but somewhere in that transition, you've got to start building a rapport, building a relationship, start building loyalty even before they come on board. Because what happens is, hey, one of our best clients, we look at their numbers regularly. They have people who go through the process, accept the job, go through all the pre-screens. They're supposed to be there Monday. Guess what? They never show up.